And one tiny ingredient makes it taste exactly like restaurant yum yum sauce. 1 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon melted butter, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons water, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Take a medium bowl and add 1 cup mayonnaise. Add 2 tablespoons ketchup for that classic pink color and sweet tangy flavor. Pour in 1 tablespoon melted butter. This is the secret restaurant-style richness. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and 1 tablespoon rice vinegar to balance sweetness and tanginess. Now add 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Pour in 2 tablespoons water to loosen the sauce and make it silky smooth. Whisk everything for about 30 seconds until creamy and fully combined. Let the sauce rest for 10 minutes so the flavors blend together perfectly. Be honest, would you dip fries, burgers or pizza in this? Comment your pick before someone steals your answer.